Hello. In this lesson, we will take up some very important and very peculiar English adverbs, adverbs of intensity or amount. Intensity means strength or concentration. These are the words too, T-O-O, and very, and enough. Okay? We often use too and very before adjectives in English. We use, this coffee is very hot. And what we mean is, but I can still drink it. It's very hot, but I can still drink it. We use, that coffee is too hot. It's too hot and I can't drink it. We can't drink it. Totally negative. Note, we can imagine a situation where the coffee is very hot and where we might still be able to drink it. We like hot coffee, even very hot coffee. But if the coffee is too hot, forget it. The result is negative. We can't drink it. We'll burn ourselves. All right. Repeat these sentences after me. Remember, speak aloud. The distance is too far to walk. I can't do it. The carton is too heavy for me. I can't lift it. The piano concerto is too hard. She can't play it. The cheese is too strong, the odor. They can't eat it. Good. Now listen carefully to these sentences. Although the coffee is very hot, I can drink it. The food is very spicy. Spicy means piquant. The food is very spicy, but I can still enjoy it. Even though the ladder is very high, she can climb it. The song is very complicated, but she can still sing it. All right, now look at the graphic. When somebody says too, in a sentence like, the car is too heavy, we are already thinking that the situation is or will be negative. Look at this. The car is too heavy for him to lift. The car is too heavy for the old bridge. And here are some more. The car is too old to drive. It's dangerous for somebody. The car is too old to keep. It's worthless for someone. And we see in all of these sentences, when too precedes an adjective, heavy, old, hard, strong, the expected results are negative. Now look at the structural possibilities with too. The situation is too dangerous. Too plus an adjective. The skirt is too long for Maya. Too plus adjective for someone. The coffee is too hot to drink. Too plus adjective, and then a to verb, to drink. And the ice is too cold for him to hold. Too plus adjective for somebody, to verb. Kind of complicated. All of these combinations are possible, and they're very common. Let's try a practice. And we'll practice with too in situations that are negative. That's right. This is an easy practice. I'll say the end of a to sentence. For example, for Maya to wear, Wear means to put on, clothes, right? For Maya to wear. You'll create the entire sentence with to. So, the skirt was too long for Maya to wear, or the dress was too large for Maya to wear, or the coat. Okay? Here's another one. For Raul to lift. And you'll say, the box was too large for Raul to lift, or the carton was too heavy for Raul to lift. Okay? Here we go. For Maya to wear. That's right. The skirt was too long for Maya to wear. For Raul to lift. The car was too heavy for Raul to lift. Great. For you to drink. The coffee is too hot for you to drink. The coffee's too hot for you to drink. For Ersa to sing. Yes, the song was too difficult for Ersa to sing. For him to eat. The food was too spicy for him to eat. Good. For Yukiko to use. The ATM was too busy for Yukiko to use. Or the ATM was too hard for Yukiko to use, too difficult. Good. For Hideo to drive. The car was too old for Hideo to drive. Good. And much too hot for Willie to drink. Yes, the tea was much too hot for Willie to drink. That's good. Now look at the word enough. We use enough in a special way for both negative and positive situations. The verb determines the situation. Enough follows adjectives and adverbs. In these situations, Ersa is not experienced enough to sing the song. However, Maya is experienced enough to sing the song. The kids aren't old enough to go to that movie. Raul is old enough to go to that movie, though. Now look, enough precedes a noun. Raul didn't have enough experience to play for the team. Ersa couldn't sing the song because she didn't have enough experience. And Raul went to the cinema because he had enough maturity. Enough followed by a noun. And then enough can be used without a noun. I'll pour some more coffee if you don't have enough. It means, of course, enough coffee. I'll pour some more coffee if you don't have enough. It looks as though Maya has enough. Same story. Okay? Time for an exercise. In this exercise, you will have a chance to practice writing sentences with enough. You will have to write the answers to the questions you see in the study guide. So, for example, you'll see the question, why can't Maya go to the movie? And the word old in parentheses. And you'll write, she can't go because she's not old enough. It's an R movie or something, right? She can't go because she's not old enough. Here's a second example. Why can't Raul go on vacation this year? Money. Raul can't go on vacation this year because he doesn't have enough money. He hasn't enough money. He hasn't got enough money. Raul can't go because he doesn't have enough money. It's pretty easy. Okay? Now, Pause your program, look at the study guide, and complete the exercise. Return here afterwards. All right, let's review that exercise. You saw the question, why can't Maya go to the movie? And then the word old in parentheses. And you wrote an enough sentence. She can't go because she's not old enough. The next one, Raul can't go on vacation because he doesn't have enough money. Or he can't go because he doesn't have enough money. Next, we can't sit in the garden because it's not warm enough. Next, they can't join the team because they don't have enough experience. He doesn't want the job because he doesn't have enough time. All right? We didn't stop studying because we didn't learn enough. And we can't lift it because we're not strong enough. Perfect.